Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. Here we have a pair of brand new, never used, Eagle brand, 150 PSI, 12.5 CFM at 100 pounds, Honda GX 160 engine. These are new, have not been used, and I basically just unboxed them here so we could get pictures of them. I'll probably just throw the box covers back on them, but I figured, hey, why not shoot a video? So you can see by that tag, if you need service or parts, you can call Wood Industries in Mississippi, and they will be glad to get you taken care of. So with that, they both sell the 11th of May. They're located here in Miles City, Montana, and they'll be sold at smithsalesco.com. Have a great day.